Hey guys, Richard here for the School of Nomads. So in this review I want to go through a new product called Rezolved. Now Rezolved is a cloud-based app that allows you to take content from other sources and add them to your own WordPress sites or a blog that's actually in the software itself. Now there's a little bit of a twist here because they're saying that using this software you can go ahead and transcribe videos and podcasts and then use that content as your own. So stick around because I'm going to talk to you about what I think of this strategy and some of the pitfalls I think you're going to have when you try and use a piece of software like this. So guys, as usual, this review is based on my own opinion, having spent many years buying software just like this one. And the idea of my reviews is you can make a more informed decision before you go ahead and buy any kind of software like this. So Rezolved is due to be released on Sunday the 28th of July at 9 AM Eastern. It comes from Mosh Barry and it comes off the Warrior Plus network. So during this review, we're going to go through the product. I'll take you through the members area. We'll go through the sales page, although the sales page is not finished, so I really won't dwell too much on the sales page. I'll take you through the upgrades. I'll talk about what's good about the product and what's not so good about the product. And then I'll kind of give you my summary. And then hopefully you'll have a little bit more idea of what this product's all about before you decide to purchase. So just before we start, guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the School of Nomads before, I do a range of value videos teaching you how I make money online. And also I do product reviews just like this one. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell. And I'll let you know whenever I release videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. And I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So on the sales page, they say you'll get traffic in as soon as in minutes. It works in any niche. It's saturation proof. There's no extra expenses for you. It's never seen before traffic hack. Set up once and continue getting traffic. It's a web-based app. 90-day money-back guarantee. And they have step-by-step tutorial videos. So let's go straight over to the members area and I'll show you around. So this is the dashboard. Pretty simple dashboard here. You've got... Obviously this is the JV dashboard, so you've got an active blog site here, and this is the site that you can actually make via this app. Now you can also attach your own WordPress sites and have it actually post content over to your WordPress sites. They've got a number of campaigns here. These are really the pieces of content that you create to go ahead and post to your various sites or this blog. And you've just got a video here from the creator who's asking you if you want to go ahead and buy the done for you version of this. So you have some training and tutorials here. It goes actually to a different page where a lot of this stuff is actually additional things to go ahead and get access to and buy. And there is some training underneath here, some unlimited traffic training. Here it is, this get access, which takes you over to his YouTube channel. And there's some kind of videos on his YouTube channel that are also getting you to buy other things. This 100% buyer traffic video here. If I come over to this video, it then takes you to this Get Sniper Pro X, which is another sales page. So it's kind of a weird way of getting you from that product over to this YouTube channel and then expecting you to come along here and have a look at half of his affiliate reviews. Set and forget review there, snatch it, done for you traffic bonus. There's all sorts of weird reviews here, so I'm not sure what that's all about. And if I go to his channel myself, his YouTube channel doesn't get any traffic anyway. The vendor gets traffic from affiliates and his massive email list because he sells products every single month. That's where he's getting traffic from. He's not getting traffic from blogs, which is one kind of point around this whole product. He's not using this product. So there's the dashboard. Now here's the campaigns where you go ahead and create campaigns. If I create a campaign here, I'm not actually going to do one because I don't want to attach any of my stuff to this. But if I go in here and show you, you can either get content from an audio or video file. You can get content from a podcast, which I'd need to go on to Audio Boom, enter a keyword, and it'll come along and get some podcasts from me. So if I just put money, see what it does. There aren't any audio here. So apparently it'll download some audio here and you can go ahead and convert that to text. So that's how you would get the podcasts. And again, I'll create a campaign. Create a test. You can do the same for an audio video file, so you can come in here and drop any audio or video into here and it'll transcribe that to text. and you can go ahead and post that to your blog or this blog here. Last one is you can go onto social sites apparently and grab some Facebook posts. That's the idea of actually content creation. Now, I don't know if you're like me, right? I have got a big issue with any of these new apps that are going off and grabbing other people's content, because if I look at their blog as an example, if I go to the blog site, if you go ahead and use other people's content on the web, you've got to at least give them credit for that original content. And when I look at some of these blog posts that are already being put on this blog, although it's massively low quality, really poor blog, and this is not ever going to rank anywhere. This app, if you use their internal site app, your blog's not going to rank anywhere. There's no keyword optimization here. There's just random posts. And also there's no kind of indication that this is content you've taken from somewhere else. So basically, to me, whether it's a podcast, a video, or wherever it's social media site, you're nicking people's content to make money. And I'm not a lawyer by any means, right? And sometimes at the moment these copyright laws are a little bit grey all over the place about what you are and aren't allowed to do. But I don't want to start a business where your business is stealing other people's content and using it for yourself. Once you've got downloaded content like this and spent time trying to take all of these affiliate marketing free type links out, see, that's come straight off the page again. When I click on anything, it comes straight off this page. So you've lost that customer. If that was your blog site now and they come in here and they click on anything and go off your page, they won't come back. So it's got such a lot of issues with these kind of sites. Very similar to Click and Bank, very similar to another product I reviewed, which was called Instant Funnels, which is basically Click and Bank repeated, and it's all they've done is they've added Warrior Plus and JVZoo reviews to that site. They're all the same thing, that you're taking content that's not yours and then putting your affiliate links in it, hoping that somebody's going to come along to it and click on it. And I'm afraid it's not going to happen. None of these sites are going to rank. Nobody's going to come along. Nobody's going to click on those links. And there's a really good article actually, that if you are interested in kind of what makes blogs rank and you don't really understand how this all works, I'm going to leave this in the actual description below, called Backlinko, and he talks about the Google's 200 ranking factors. And there's a lot that goes into ranking any kind of content in Google, and the issue is blogs have got a harder time to rank even than videos, because a lot of videos get that extra boost because they're on YouTube, and obviously Google and YouTube are part of the same company, so it gets a little bit of a boost if you do a video. Now if you're just putting text down, you have to have a lot, and I mean a lot, of content on any kind of blogs for Google to start finding it. It's got to be keyword rich. There's all sorts of backlink type factors involved within the site and outside the site. Lots and lots of different things that would affect your Google ranking. So very difficult to rank when you're just using articles. I don't care if it comes from a podcast or it comes from a video or you just write it. It's all the same thing. So if you're going to start a blog, my advice to you is to just start a blog and start writing and bypass any of this kind of nonsense software that's obviously being sold to save you work. But at the end of the day, you're going to be wasting your time trying to use software like this, where you may as well be using your time to actually create good quality posts. So guys, I just jumped back into this just so I can show you the rest of this. You can obviously add posts to this. So there's some posts here. If I edit one of these posts, like Learn Affiliate Marketing, if I go ahead and edit this, it's just got the world's simplest post editor here, where you can go ahead and obviously add your links down here, and hoping that somebody would come along and click this. So again, there's a section here you can go ahead and add your affiliate link from Amazon or eBay or wherever, and you can go ahead and add that link. It's needed again because I can go into Amazon and find an affiliate link for anything in a second. I'm an Amazon affiliate, and all you need to do is go ahead and do a quick search, and all of the affiliate links are at the top of the page, so you don't need this. So I've jumped over to the sales page. The only thing I want to look at, and again, to just talk to you a little bit about the money back guarantee, and these vendors have always got a very strict policy on their money back guarantee. So it says if any of you have any technical issues while using the Rezolved software and we failed to help you resolve the issue, we'll give you 100% of your money back. Our money back guarantee applies to technical issues only. Other than that, all sales are final. So do not buy this software and then not make money and try and get your money back. You won't get it back. And this software will work. I'm not saying it's not going to work, because this is cloud-based software, which again I don't really like, because again, if you use their blog that's internally, and they turn the software off, you've lost your business. But there you go. It's cloud-based software is obviously good for some beginners, but don't depend on this to make money, because you won't get your money back. So I jumped over to the upgrades, guys. The Rezolved Premium is $19, which is the front end. The Rezolved Unlimited is at $39 or $9 a month. Rezolved Done For You is at $57 or $47. There's 1,000 times conversion booster. Now the conversion booster is actually this, to be honest. Let me quickly show you. So it's not actually 1,000 times. These are the kind of scripts and apps or pop-ups that you see on these pages these days. So you have various types of Facebook pixel, there's a Facebook comment script. So all of this stuff you would have to go ahead and get yourself. So if you're a beginner, you'll have no idea what's happening here. You've got a fake countdown timer that you can put on your pages, which I always feel is a bit dishonest, but there you are. Scarcity is a thing that they use. And then you've got a pop-up script here. Again, you can go ahead and put on your pages. So you can spam people quite a lot with all these different types of conversion boosters, but that's what that 1,000 times conversion booster actually is. So as I said, that upsell 3 was $97 down to $77. By the way, guys, the second number is the downsell. Automated unlimited traffic, $57 down to $37. Business in a box, which is basically the reseller rights, $97 down to $67. And then he's got a gold miners club where he charges $39 for it, and it allows you to get 100% of the profits on some other products he's got if you're an affiliate. So guys, the pros on this: the software works, and the cons, obviously exaggerated traffic claims. You won't get traffic in minutes with this. The blogs won't rank, guys. They really won't. You're not going to be keyword rich. And take a look at that article and look at all of the different factors that you need. Very low quality software. The editor's not very good, and it's just generally low quality software. Sales page is misleading, again, because it talks about traffic and it talks about, making lots of money. So there is potential copyright issues with these guys, and I don't care what type of content it is. If I was advising you as a beginner, I would tell you to keep away from any of these type of apps that are giving you content from other sources. There's a reason why there's something called PLR, which is private label rights, where it allows you to use anybody else's content in any way you want. Because you also have master resale rights and resale rights, which are other forms of licenses online. Some of them allow you to just resell other people's content. Some of them allow you to change certain parts and resell it. There's all these types of licenses online. And what these kind of new apps are doing is saying, I don't care about any of that. Just go and pinch any old article, podcast, script, video, transcript. Just pinch anything and just put it on your blog, and then expect floods of people to come to it. Notwithstanding the fact that if you do go ahead and pinch a podcast script, I think you'll spend hours rewriting it, because it won't make sense. Because if you think about the way people talk normally, it's not going to make sense to anybody once you start writing it down. So, again, the vendor doesn't use his software. He's got a massive team of affiliates and a huge email list. That's how he gets his traffic. Software is not original. If you go on AppSumo, there's actually a software that's very similar to this for sale now that does transcripts from various sources for you. This isn't a long-term business. If you really want to build a long-term business, this isn't one that you can kind of talk to your friends about and be proud of, that you pinch other people's content and stick affiliate links on it. And the 90-day guarantee. Now, I'm not being critical of them. It's up to them what they do as far as their products are concerned. It's their products. But I just want to make sure you're aware that don't come along to one of these products and expect to make money, and then if you don't within a month get your money back. It's not going to happen. So just be very careful. So guys, just because the fact that this is a tactic that I'm not a big fan of, and there is those potential copyright issues, I'm going to give it a 1 out of 10. So guys, thanks for watching. Again, that review is based on my own opinion, and the idea of the review is that you can just have a little bit more information before you go ahead and purchase any kind of software like this. You can take it or leave it, completely up to you. You can go and have a look at all of the other reviews, but I just don't think that products like this will really help you build any kind of business online. So guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time guys, take care.